Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Road Zone Review. Today we're diving into one of the most opulent, tech-loaded luxury SUVs out there, the Range Rover Autobiography. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling palace, a mobile sanctuary designed for those who crave top-tier comfort and cutting-edge features. And here's the kicker, since it's now being locally assembled in India, the only country outside the UK doing so, the price has dropped by more than 50 Indian rupees lakh. That's a massive saving. But don't let the lower price fool you, this SUV still oozes class, presence, and premium feel in every detail. Let's step inside and take a closer look. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Road Zone Reviews so you never miss a high-end car breakdown like this! What's new for 2025? For 2025, there are a few notable updates. The standard. Wheelbase SEV8 now gets a better Meridian surround sound system, but loses the Dynamic Response Pro roll control as standard. The 550e plug-in hybrid setup is now available on the SWB version. PHEV variants no longer offer the towing pack or 23-inch wheels, and tailgate seats and full-size spare are no longer options on the Autobiography PHEV. Across all trims, illuminated tread plates are now standard. The activity key bracelet is discontinued, and the Perlino white headliner no longer extends to the roof pillars. Interior, as always, the Range Rover's interior is a showstopper. Premium leathers, gorgeous wood trims, and now even leather-free options for those who prefer sustainable materials like wool and textiles. Seating configurations are flexible. You can go for 4, 5, or 7 seats depending on the wheelbase. While the third row in long wheelbase models isn't ideal for tall passengers, it's still very usable for kids or shorter adults. Practical touches include a powered cargo divider to keep things organized, and the signature split tailgate, which can double up as seating during outdoor hangouts. SWB models offer up to 40.7 cubic feet behind the rear seats and 83.5 cubes when folded. Long wheelbase versions push that to nearly 92.8 cubic feet total, though there's only 8.7 cubes behind the third row. Performance under the hood, the Range Rover offers 4 distinct powertrains. P400, a smooth 395 HP turbocharged inline-6 with mild hybrid tech. P530, a 523 HP twin-turbo 4.4 LV8 that boosts towing capacity to 8,200 lbs. P550E, a 542 HP plug-in hybrid for SWB models. P615, a 606 HP V8 reserved for the range-topping SV variant. Ride quality is pure luxury. With air suspension in comfort mode, the SUV glides effortlessly over any surface. Flip to dynamic mode and it firms up for a sportier feel, but make no mistake, comfort is still the main priority. And yes, it still boasts proper off-road capabilities. Safety is on point with standard features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. For crash test ratings, be sure to check out the NHTSA and IIHS websites for the latest results. Pricing: the 2025 Range Rover starts at $109,725, but depending on the trim and features, that number can climb to around $210,825. For more premium reviews and exotic rides, hit that subscribe button right here on Road Zone Reviews. Drop a like, leave a comment, and tell us, is this the ultimate luxury SUV or what?